Hello and welcome to the morning podcast with Asavri. Here we share all the important updates you require before taking a trade. So let's begin with a quick glance at global market. The US futures were lower in overnight trading and pointed losses at the open on Wednesday following two positive sessions in equity market. Stocks in Asia Pacifics were mixed in Wednesday morning trade as oil prices continued to move higher. Indian shares are expected to open on flat note on Wednesday as trends on SGX Nifty indicate flat opening with SGX Nifty trading 9224 level on Singaporean exchange. The Indian rupee surged 10 paisa to close at 75.63 against USD on Tuesday due to higher domestic equity market and gains in Asian currencies. Oil prices surged on Tuesday as optimism around the ongoing production cuts and recovery in demand with the reopening of economies around the world pushed the prices higher. Let's take a look at a couple of important headlines. India's April gold imports plunges 99.9%. Mr. Suresh Prabhu, virtue member of India's Canada Business Chamber Committee on Tuesday said government is working on aggressive strategies to attract FDI into India in the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic. On institutional level, the selling saga continues as FIIs sold shares worth rupees 1059 crores while DIIs sold shares worth rupees 995 crore on May 5. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Wipro, the IT major, has signed MOU with Maharashtra to repurpose its Pune facility to 450-bedded COVID-19 hospital. NIIT Technologies net profit of the company in quarter 4 of financial year 20 fell to rupees 113.6 crore from rupees 123 crore in previous quarter. Revenue rose to rupees 1109 crore while 1073 crore quarter on quarter. Adani Ports Company's net profit in quarter 4 financial year 20 declined to 334 crore versus 1285 crore. Good news for liquor companies as UBL and United Spirits has resumed operations at majority of its manufacturing facilities with reduced capacity. It is expected to review few more permissions in next few days. Positive news for Aztec Life Science. The company's net profit in quarter 4 financial year 20 rose to rupees 31.17 crore from 12.72 crore and revenue jumped to 180 crore versus 133 crore year on year. The results that we are expecting today are Yes Bank, Adani Enterprises, TCI Developers, Kansai Nerolac Paints, JM Financials, among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. Have a safe trading and stay safe. Thank you.